Ever pondered how technology is revolutionizing our shopping habits? Well, it's time to bring your attention to a game changer in the retail industry, IKEA's Augmented Reality tool. This isn't just a fancy tech gimmick, but a functional tool that's transforming the way we shop for furniture. Picture this, you're browsing through IKEA's vast catalog of stylish, affordable furniture. But here's the catch, you're unsure how that sleek coffee table or plush armchair will look in your living room. Enter IKEA's AR tool, an innovation that helps eliminate this guesswork. This ingenious tool, using the camera on your smartphone or tablet, allows you to virtually place any IKEA item in your space. You select the furniture piece from IKEA's digital catalog, position it in your room using the AR tool, and voila! You can see how it fits, looks, and even complements your existing decor. But why is this so groundbreaking? It's because IKEA's AR tool bridges the gap between the digital and physical world, offering a seamless blend of the two. It's about making the shopping experience interactive, immersive, and most importantly, personal. Moreover, it's not just about aesthetics. This tool can also give you a practical sense of the item's size and scale in relation to your space. No more worries about whether that bookcase is too tall or if the dining table is too wide. You can see it for yourself before making a purchase. To recap, IKEA's AR tool is a true innovation in the retail industry. It offers an immersive shopping experience by allowing you to virtually place furniture in your space. It bridges the digital and physical worlds, and it provides a practical sense of the item's size and scale. So next time you're unsure about a piece of furniture, remember with IKEA's AR tool, seeing really is believing. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.